Hello and welcome to another video on high altitude investing. Today is Monday. Happy Monday, everybody. And as you guys know, I am dedicated to uploading 5 videos a week all through 2020 to keep you guys posted in the cryptocurrency markets. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button right now for me, as well as the notification bell, so that you guys can keep updated and posted in the markets all through this year. Today's video is about Bitcoin Satoshi's vision, and I'm very excited to share with you my update on what's going on with this coin. Make sure that you hit that like button for me right now and subscribe where you're tuning in from in this beautiful world, and we'll get straight into the video. So Bitcoin Satoshi's vision has broken out of a triangle pattern. So on the daily candlesticks, I'm just going to go ahead and take the line tool on the left hand side, and I'll show you that triangle pattern right here. As you can see, we have this bullish pennant, and we broke bullish out of that pennant, and we've started to move towards the major resistance level of $436. So that means that this major support level is actually holding. This huge chunk of support that used to be resistance is acting as support. We have bounced up about, I think we've bounced up like 20 or 30% from here. Yeah, about 30% from the bottom of the triangle up. And I expect us to see further continuation. We might make another consolidation pattern right here, or we start to see another maybe triangle or even just horizontal consolidation. But I do actually expect us to break above this all-time high and see continuation in this market. And that is really, really exciting. As you guys know, if you follow me, you already are aware that my Bitcoin SV target is 1100 per coin. Now, I'm not going to sell 100% of my position there, but I will be taking a lot of profits off the table and then allowing around 25% to ride in the market continuously. So I'm going to take a large percentage off the table and then leave 25% at least in the market to continue riding and potentially see further upside after that. So the only other thing that would make me a little bit wary about Bitcoin SV right now is if for some reason we rejected off of resistance and then we started to actually get back into the same prices as this consolidation pattern. So if we start to see, a $256 Bitcoin SV, I'd start to get a little nervous, especially if we start to head deeper into the support. So if this support for some reason stops holding true, if we stop seeing this as a spot that the market is going to bounce back up and we start to go below that, that would make me kind of weary of Bitcoin SV. Now, personally, I don't think that's going to happen. It really looks like the structure is much, much more bullish at this point in time in the market. So I'm watching, like I said, for some type of consolidation pattern, some type of break upwards, and then at some point a break of the all-time high and back into price discovery mode where we go parabolic, similar to what we saw right here and right here. Also interesting to note, the Ichimoku cloud is an awesome indicator. It's one of my favorites, as you guys know from my video that I made about indicators. And this right here is where we actually broke above the thin. See how this cloud right here in the background, that red cloud gets very thin right here. That's where we went parabolic, and then we also have a very thin cloud right here that we broke above and started to go parabolic. And so thin clouds seem to be very, very strong buy signals for Bitcoin SV. Also, if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, we're landing onto the Ichimoku cloud as support. For Ichimoku, you guys need to change the settings to 2060, 12030. And I personally remove all the extra stuff like the conversion lines, the lagging spans, and the leads, because really it's just too much noise. It's really hard to see what's going on when you have all those things. When all I personally use the Ichimoku cloud for is thickness of the cloud, support and resistance of the cloud, and that is why I see this as the most useful settings. Also, the 2061, 2030 is because cryptocurrency is 24-hour, whereas most markets have an open and a close. So yeah, this bullish pennant has broken up. I expect us to continue to see consolidation and continuation. And Bitcoin SV is still looking like a very strong hold, and I'm still sticking to my target of 1,000 or 1,100 per coin. So that is kind of my update on prices. The bigger time frames look good as well, like the 3-day and even the 1 week. There's a bullish breakout in this consolidation pattern in the 1 week candlesticks as well. And our volume is kind of low right now, but it was very, very high upon the breakout. And when you have a lot of volume on a breakout, that just gives you a stronger confirmation that it's a real breakout. If we would have seen Bitcoin SV go all the way up like this, but still have the same trading volume as we were seeing all through this period of time, that would have been a lot more sketchy. But because we have this huge spike right here, that's very good. And I suspect we'll see another spike similar in size if we get above this all-time high and that resistance level. So thank you guys so much for tuning into my update on Bitcoin Satoshi's vision. I really appreciate all of the subscribers I've been getting. So many new people. I'm about to pass 25,000. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel right now so that you guys can stay updated all through 2025 videos a week. And I would really, really appreciate any likes and shares that you give this video as well. It's been awesome to see my channel growing with the markets picking back up. And I really appreciate you guys tuning into today's video. As always, stay profitable out there.